Hello, I'm Santa and I've just stopped by at Andover Norton. Now in the office downstairs they've got a rather little nice Triumph Terrier with a top box. So I thought I'd have a rummage in the top box and look what I found. Lovely presents for Christmas. Starting at this end, we have two good books by Mick Duckworth, one about Joe Craig and the other about the Norton Commando. The other good book that I found is Norman White's Norton Commando Restoration Manual. Quite an in-depth book for those that are already fully aware of the Norton Commando, may have worked on it in the past and looking to improve it and learn some tips from Norman White. We also have like a magnetic tray for your bits and pieces. Handy, because we all know what happens when you put the old nuts and bolts down. They tend to get kicked off the top of your worktop, off your workbench or your bike lift and disappear across the floor. Handy little tool. The next one is the workshop manuals. We have quite a selection for these. We also have workshop manuals, parts lists for Nortons and the Triumphs, and unbeknown to a lot of people, also downstairs in the drawers, we have copies of some really rare parts books for the AJS's, Matchlesses, early single Ducatis, beta models that we inherited from a dealer in the past. The next thing we have is clothing. This here, t-shirts, these are available online, should be able to find them on the web. Now here's a useful little tool for those that you have tyres. No good to me because I can't use it on my sleigh. This is a tyre pressure gauge, Race X one, and it gets good reviews in the automotive press. Good tool for you lot that got your tyres to check on a regular basis. Other little things, snoods, handy for underneath the helmet. I don't know about you, but when you're flying along in the sleigh, if you haven't got anything around your neck, you can end up getting the bugs in, and they bite sometimes. Ideal for keeping them out. We also have these Norton models. These models are more fragile than a Norton rotary. So if you do end up with one, be careful with it. Put it on a shelf where it won't get knocked or touched or knocked over with a duster. Another reliable piece from Andover Norton is a coffee cup. Does exactly what it says, holds hot coffee, and it's just like your Norton. You don't want to drop it, otherwise it'll break. And again, more books. We also do Triumph publications, and here's some there as well. Norton and the Triumph. Always worth asking what we do, because some of the stuff we can actually photocopy off if we got it, and sort you out with a copy. And also we have a tool roll. Some of this stuff is too big to go under the seat, but some of the larger stuff you can leave at home and put the more useful stuff in that you would use at the roadside. Roll it all up and put it on the bike somewhere. Now, I'd like to thank all our customers throughout the year, and I wish you all a happy Christmas and a happy New Year, and we'll see you in January when you'll be working hard to get your bikes back on the road. Thank you very much.